Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by eliminating common blockers. Make sure both drives have plenty of free space, then close any program locking the files. Once done, run File Explorer as administrator so permission checks are elevated. Next, switch to a direct USB or Ethernet connection. Unreliable hubs and Wi-Fi can interrupt transfers. Finally, identify one test file and attempt a small copy. This quick test confirms whether the problem is global or limited to specific files before we move to deeper fixes. Now you perform targeted repairs that resolve hidden issues. First, run chkdsk/f on both drives and allow a reboot if Windows schedules disk fixes. File system errors often block transfers. Then fix permissions. Use Tacon to claim the folder and iCackles to grant full control so Windows can write files. If antivirus or real-time protection is active, disable it briefly to rule out scanning interruptions. Remember to re-enable protection after testing. These steps address file system integrity and access, the two most common routes. Finish by performing the full transfer with a robust tool. Use Robocopy with /z/j and /r, 3 to resume. Use unbuffered I/O for huge files, and monitor progress. If errors continue, open Event Viewer for disk or NTFS errors and run sfc/scano to repair system files. As a final troubleshooting tip, connect each drive to a different PC. If issues follow a drive, suspect failing hardware and back up immediately. If the drive is healthy, repeat Robocopy after repairs. This usually completes the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.